In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add widgets to OBS Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up widgets on OBS. So this will work if you are recording, if you are streaming primarily, and you can find a bunch of available widgets by using the Streamlabs website. Even if you aren't using the Streamlabs software, you can still use the widgets that they offer. So what you have to do is go to streamlabs.com and sign up with an account. If you already have an account, just log in and then go to streamlabs.com/dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, you will find all widgets at the left side of the screen, or simply go to /dashboard/widgets. Once you arrive at this page, you will be able to browse through all of them. So some of them will require you to connect your Twitch link. So as you can see, this one asks me to connect my account. But if you choose different widgets, you can use them without connecting an account. So an example would be this spin wheel. So I'm going to use this one to make this video easier to follow. So click on a specific widget and you can customize everything. I'm going to leave this one on default because I just want to showcase how this works, but you can spend a lot of time setting this all up. The important thing is the widget URL at the top. Every single widget will have a URL that you have to copy. Make sure that you don't share this with other people or else they can mess with this URL. But after you copy this, open OBS, choose the option to add a new source and then browser. Now, paste the link that you copied into this window here. So once you paste it on this text box, you can customize the widget, the width and the height of the widget, click OK, and then you can position it around your screen. It is going to appear immediately. Now, you can customize the things that are available on this widget, so I'm going to remove a bunch of these to demonstrate the changes. And then you can use the spin option on this example here, and now the wheel spins. Of course, if you are using a different widget, there will be different customization options, but the general idea is the same. You copy the URL related to that specific widget, you paste it within a new browser source, and it will be set up for you inside of OBS. You can use other, more advanced ones like the option to show subscribers, followers, but for all of these, you will most likely have to connect your Twitch account. I hope I was able to help you on how to add widgets to OBS Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.